Hey guys, so the video you're about to see was filmed March 2nd, according to the footage, and it was something just us comparing food from different convenience stores. It was a lot of fun to film, and I really want to do more of that, but anyway, let's see which convenience store has the best spicy chicken. Alright guys, welcome!
Welcome to today's vlog.
It's the first of the series of seeing which convenience store has the best food. And today, we're trying... Oh, I'm Matt, by the way. Chris.
I am Chris.
Kate.
Kate.
Yes. We're representing our teams, more or less.
You gotta just go up here.
These shirts.
Team Family. Can you see that well?
Team Lawson.
And so what we're gonna do is
And what's your team?
And
Oh yeah, Team 7. 7-Eleven.
Team 7.
We got... This episode is going to be who has the best spicy chicken out of all these convenience stores. We went to 7-Eleven, Lawson, and Family Mart to buy their spicy chicken. I think it's called spicy chicken at Family Mart. It's called hot chicken at these places. But it's like a boneless spicy chicken thing. Should be pretty fun. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take them, cut them into thirds, blindfold ourselves, shuffle the plates around so we don't know which one, and then we're going to rate the chicken from 1 to 10, calculate the best score at the end, and we're also going to try and guess which place it's from.
We're going to see if we can tell the difference between each one.
Yep.
Because we have our three
preferences.
biases, yeah.
3 biases.
As you can see right here.
Yeah,
our red
Lawson's,
shirts.
for me, is the best.
I love Team Family. It's actually also on my way to work every day, but I've always been like about Family Mart. It's always been the closest to my house too. Where I've lived.
7-Eleven is new here in Okinawa, but I've been enjoying it, so.
New kid on the block, new kid on the... Well, you're the newest one in Okinawa too, so...
I am.
News,
Yeah,
yeah.
it makes sense. Okay, well, let's start cutting up the chickens.
Do you want to talk about the price?
Yeah, we could talk about the price and the packaging.
One of the reasons... Or no, you go... No, we'll go with you first.
Okay. Actually, this isn't the one I bought, though. How much was this? Oh, here's a receipt. Okay.
You bought for your rival team, Kate?
We each bought one. We all chipped in.
Unlike them, though, I bought my own family chicken. So.
Kate
They
bought
for each other.
7-Eleven, and it happened to be the most money.
Most
So,
expensive.
this is the 7-Eleven spicy chicken. This is how they all package it. It's like a package where you rip the center, and then you can eat it, and you don't get greasy or anything. This one cost 203 yen from 7-Eleven, their spicy chicken. So what about Lawson?
So this is the Lawson one and the Lawson packaging. And I believe this one was 180 yen.
180 yen.
This one is Family Mart. I think it started actually the ripping package, so that's why Family's the best. And it also is the cheapest at 145
Oh, Lawson
yen.
doesn't even...
Lawson doesn't have it.
This one
Lawson doesn't have the rip! Oh no!
Oh,
What a rip.
What a rip! Oh no.
So in
See?
terms of packaging, I'm sorry, Lawson.
And then
So I think
and then
7-Eleven and Family Mart.
yeah, because you
definitely.
actually
They have
have
the rip.
Can you guys rip one?
So let's, yeah, go ahead.
It's
So this
convenient.
is what you do, like that. Very nice. Oh,
nice and easy. Except
Okay.
yours is like super expensive. Mine is cheap.
Yeah, pricey,
Hold on.
cheaper.
they
Oh,
taped
the
mine
tape.
shut though. Hold on. All right, there we go.
Man,
So
what a
we
rip.
did it.
Yeah.
7-Eleven's not doing really well, but
So
like
this
that.
one doesn't have this, so I got to get my hands all oily
Oh
so I
boy.
eat my chicken.
This is a bit smaller though than that, I will admit. I think it's like a little bit fatter though.
Yeah, so first impressions, this one is the most money, but I think it's definitely the biggest out of all the 3.
It feels, yeah, that one feels.
Yeah, this one's
bigger.
pretty beefy
Let
too.
me see.
It's pretty thick.
It's chicken though.
Yeah.
You said it was beefy.
Yeah,
It
squeeze that
feels
meat.
beefy.
How's that meat?
It feels, yeah. It feels kind
Squeeze my
of.
meat.
This one feels kind of.
Squeeze mine.
All
Right? Like,
yeah.
yeah, this one definitely feels the heaviest
Yeah,
too.
this is
Yeah,
the most
this one's-
chicken.
This one feels the smallest.
Yeah, that's the smallest.
Yeah.
This one feels like it's like almost the same size as that, but it looks like it's
The
like more
family is the
ready.
smallest.
Yeah.
Is also the cheapest.
Mine also
Okay.
looks the reddest. I don't know.
You
if
know
guys
what?
see
Okay,
that.
so the
Maybe it's probably the
prices.
spiciest.
Yeah.
The prices are actually probably pretty equivalent then to all of them.
Given the size.
Given the size,
Given
yeah.
the size,
Maybe
yeah.
they
So-
price it by gram or something, by weight.
Yeah, they might. Maybe it's by weight, it might be the same. So let's cut these up. So the 7-Eleven spicy chicken, that's what it looks like. You can see it's a lighter color than these. So that's 7-Eleven's. You can see Lawson's is very red compared to 7-Eleven's. See that? This is Lawson. And here's the Family Mart one. A little different consistency and color. So, kind of nice. That's Family Mart. All right.
Okay, we have the labels here so we can kind of tell what it is afterwards.
So 7-Eleven. Let's move all this stuff.
Did you guys get a moist towelette in yours?
Yeah, we did actually.
Maybe we can you just use the plates.
Well, I got one from 7-Eleven. Lawson did not. Again.
Oh, another strike against Lawson. Kate, your team's not doing so well right now.
What did I not get? Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, that's right. I didn't get a towelette.
So Kate provided us with these
awesome Pokemon
towels, which we're gonna use to blindfold ourselves.
And clips. Don't
So-
forget your clips.
Yes. All right.
Ready?
So, by the way, guys, this blind taste test, I mean, it's obviously a very common idea, but if you guys want to see, somebody I watch a lot of times is Good Mythical Morning. They do blind taste tests, sort of similar to this way, and it's really entertaining.
Okay, so Matt's gonna shuffle.
I'm grabbing these. I know the order right now, but I think I'll shuffle, and then you shuffle, and you shuffle,
Okay,
and
we'll
that
all
way there's
shuffle.
no way
Yeah,
we can
I like that.
tell
So I have
the
no
order.
idea which one's going where.
So I'll shuffle it for you,
Okay.
you shuffle it, and then Chris shuffles it. That way we have no idea.
I'm
So
still trying to put on my
that's
blindfold.
good. Here you go, Kate.
Okay.
There's 3 right in front of you.
1, 2, 3. Okay. So we move
And just
these
mix them around.
I have no idea which one is which. All right.
There's nothing
Chris?
else on the table, right? Okay, just
So
the
there's
plates in
3.
the corner here.
I'm like by the edge too. I hope I don't like accidentally drop them.
Drop the chicken. All right.
Okay. So
Okay,
Matt.
so just pass
Yeah.
1 to each of us, Chris.
Okay. Here.
This is mine.
Yeah.
Okay,
Don't let it fall.
so
Okay, where's mine?
Uh,
Did you? Oh, here. Okay.
Here,
Okay,
I
got
think.
it. Okay, I got one.
all right, just put it aside, and then I'll try one of mine. I'll pass mine. You try it, and then you try it, and then we'll just rate all the same one.
Okay, so.
Okay.
So,
So,
go ahead and
just-
put yours
So
aside.
these
So I'm
three.
gonna take one piece of mine.
Okay.
Or I'll pass it. Maybe we should try it together, but
Okay, I got
Yeah,
one.
let's try it together. Okay.
All right. So eat it now.
yeah. go ahead. I already tried mine.
Itadakimasu. Hi.
Okay, so this is really good in my opinion, but I think I'm gonna like all of them, to be honest. This one, it actually has a little bit of kick, not much, but it does have that little bit of spicy kick. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, can you? I'm gonna eat. Hold on, I'm gonna eat more.
I can already tell it's Family Mart.
Really?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh.
I already know. It's
Oh.
because of the texture.
I don't think it is.
You don't
Yeah, I
think it
don't
is?
think it is either.
Eh?
I personally think
Well-
Family Mart is really juicy, and
Well,
that
let's-
wasn't as juicy. As
Let's
I
rate
thought.
them first.
I felt like that was though. Like it was like really oily.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this. I mean, I feel like I'm gonna like them all anyway.
I know, it was really good.
But I'll give it like a 9. I honestly think it's really good for
yeah,
spicy chicken.
Yeah.
it's really good.
And I'm gonna go with 7-Eleven as my guess because they're the best, as you can see.
well,
from my
if it's
shirt.
7-Eleven though, shouldn't it be a 7 out of 10 though? Not a 9 out of 10.
Ooh.
No, it should be an 11 out of 10.
Oh.
Oh.
7 times.
so-
actually.
One up to me, I see.
So
No.
yes.
No, I'm gonna give it a 9. Okay, what about you guys?
Okay. I think I'm gonna give that one an 8
I ate the whole thing.
because it was really good. But I don't know. I feel like maybe the other ones might be a little bit better. So I'm gonna say that one was 7-Eleven because it felt thicker. It did feel thick. So that's what I think. And I feel like Family Mart is like more juicy. I'm gonna feel stupid if it is Family Mart, but
Well, no, this is the fun part.
so I'll give it an 8.
Hopefully the camera's still recording.
I know.
Okay, 8
And yeah, I'll say 7-Eleven.
and 7-Eleven. Okay, Chris.
So a little secret though, I actually don't really like Family Mart spicy chicken. I like a lot of the other stuff, but their spicy chicken specifically, just because like, well, actually, okay, I kind of take that back because I do like the fact that there's a lot of like chicken in it because it's not really breaded. It was almost entirely chicken, right? Like you don't feel like the breadiness of other parts.
So you're going with Family Mart.
Yeah, I think it's Family Mart.
Okay, what's your scale though?
I would say this is probably about a 7 out of 10.
7? Okay, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
7-Eleven, 7-Eleven, Family Mart.
7.
Okay, just grab the next one and pass it.
Try to grab the next one.
Where's the?
There's none in front of me.
Okay.
'cause that was mine.
Here, Matt, grab one, and then you can go first.
Okay, we'll try it together this time. Okay, this one. Man, I wish I paid attention to the consistency more because this one's
Okay,
already.
let's all eat it together, okay? Let's
Okay.
just say itadakimasu.
Okay, ready?
Hi.
Everyone, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
I already ate.
Oh.
Okay.
No, this one
This one's crispy.
definitely 7-Eleven. I feel like
7-Eleven?
I changed my mind. Yeah.
I think it's Lawson.
I'm gonna say Lawson too.
It does feel crispier.
Mm-hmm.
It does feel crispier. I don't remember though.
I need to bump up my spicy chicken game.
We probably shouldn't even have looked at them,
Right?
Yeah.
or at least not felt them.
Well, but we had to do it. Oh, it's actually Jimmy because we had to cut them.
Yeah.
So if we cut it blindfolded, we could just cut our fingers, right? So maybe
No,
we
we
need to-
don't know. No, this is fine. I think it's Lawson, but okay. Rating.
Yeah.
This one's
Yeah.
worse in my
Yeah.
opinion.
I think it is Lawson now.
I think, yeah, and I also think it's worse too.
This one's. Okay, more. I just took one bite, so.
Oh, I just ate the whole thing. I've been eating all in one bite. Sorry.
Okay.
I ate it all too.
I mean, I would still get this, but it's definitely worse than the other one. I'm gonna give it a 5, maybe 5 or 6.
I'll give this one a 7.
No, I give this one a 6.
The other one was definitely better.
I think I'll.
Yeah.
I think I'll go for a 6.
Yeah, thinking about it now, I'm just not a big fan of the fact that a lot of it's like breaded instead of like actually just chicken. Because like, when I buy like
Yeah,
like,
it's not as juicy. It seems.
yeah, and it's I think it is a little bit more spicy though. But like overall, I feel like I'd rather grab Family Marts though. But again, there is the fact that like these were both bigger. Like Lawson and 7-Eleven were both bigger than Family Marts. So
well,
I
this
guess
could have
you're-
been a Family Mart one.
Imagine how stupid I sound though if it ends up not being Family.
Right? If I'll bet watch
It's
this
like
one's a
your
Family-
favorite
yeah.
one. You're like, son of a bitch.
Hey, I'm saying it's Lawson, and I'm like, it's not that good.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Lawson, and
Representing
it's
Lawson.
6.
Yeah, let's give
Okay.
it a 7.
Next one.
Okay, last
said-
one.
Last one, Chris.
You
You have it, right?
I have it.
do? Okay, Kate
Oh,
has it.
okay.
Alright, I'm gonna take one.
Kate intercepted it for me.
Okay, pass it over.
Yeah,
Pass
Chris.
it over.
Okay.
You got it? Take
Yeah.
one, now give it.
Okay.
Wait, I don't have one
Okay.
yet. Okay.
Got it?
All right.
Ready?
This one's feeling greasy.
Okay, ready?
All right, let's
Where's
try
the tape? I'm gonna show.
Itadakimasu.
I don't know where the sticker is, so I don't know which one.
Oh.
I have a really big.
You know what? Damn it, Chris. I think you were right about the first one. I think that was Family Mart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm feeling 7-Eleven again.
This one I think is 7-Eleven.
I don't think we could change our answers though.
Nope.
But I will
Well,
say
you could do
Well,
like
I know this one's not Family Mart 'cause this is a really big piece that I have.
yeah, this is 7-Eleven.
It's 7-Eleven, I think too.
I'm gonna guess 7-Eleven again.
I thought you guessed Lawson on the second one though.
I did. I said Lawson. The second one is Lawson.
Yeah, I guess 7-Eleven, Lawson, and 7-Eleven.
Same.
Oh, I see. So none of them were family. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
So you have your one-time guess that you can use then. So you guys have to guess it's family
Wait,
then.
who did
Yeah.
you say was the first one?
I knew it was my first was family, and then I said Lawson was the second, and I think this is 7-Eleven.
You can double
I
guess.
think that's what it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can't take back an answer.
Okay, so ratings. What do you guys think about this one?
You know what? I'm tasting like herbs in this one.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't ever remember tasting herbs at the other Family Mart or Lawson.
Same.
So that's why I think this is 7-Eleven.
Mm. This one was better than the last one, but not as good as the first one, in my opinion.
I agree. Well, I don't know. I do like the fact that this is less oily than the other ones. Actually, I kind of like this one more than the other two.
Oh, really?
Except for the fact that it's like less chicken. It's again, I don't like the fact that it's a lot of breading. You know what I mean? Like I like having more of like actual like chicken substance in it.
Yeah, it definitely has a lot more herbs, like Kate said.
Okay, I'll probably say a 7.
I'm gonna say a 7 too.
You know what? This one was actually my favorite because I love that it has like that flavor, that herby flavor.
Okay.
To me, that like just gives it that extra like I don't even taste the spiciness. But I really I can taste like rosemary or something. Like I really like that.
What was it called though? Like,
I'm gonna give this one a 9.
9?
All right.
This will be my highest rated.
All right.
Yeah.
We taking our blindfolds off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully it recorded. Oh my god, it's bright.
I'm blind.
Okay, so was this the one we just tried?
Yep.
7-Eleven.
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 And I actually stacked
stacked them,
too.
that's good.
Okay, this is the second one we had,
Which
you
was
probably
Lawson.
which was Lawson.
It was Lawson.
And the first one
was Family.
was Family Mart.
So,
And it's still
so
recording.
I was right on all of my guesses.
Yeah, so you were right. You're like the chicken senpai right now. I was I don't know. I think because it was the first one, I was like, I don't know, but I
Which
knew
one
for
did
sure.
you like the best?
Yeah, which one?
I like this one. 7-Eleven.
Interesting. So both of you.
Oh, but I think I gave both of these 7. I gave this one a 6.
I will say though, like Lawson, even though I'm representing Lawson, I was never really a fan of their chicken. So I'm not surprised that got such a low score. And like this was my first time tasting the 7-Eleven one, and I really liked it.
Yeah. Cool. So 7-Eleven was good. It's both of your guys' favorites. I think I like, even though I'm wearing the 7-Eleven shirt and both of you guys love it, I think I like the Family Mart one the
I think
best.
we need to switch shirts around.
Yeah, sounds like it. But
for this round.
Well, where
there's
does the
no
Lawson shirt go?
yeah.
Psh, trash. I'm just kidding. Okay, Lawson
We'll do
might have.
more.
Yeah, they might
Yeah.
have failed in the chicken.
They're
but
supposed to be good on like the
Yeah.
egg salad
Yeah.
sandwiches and stuff like
the
that. They're
sandwiches,
like-
yeah, we'll see.
So we'll see.
I actually think they have the best cafe too.
Oh, really?
I think so too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So we can. Yep.
man, that was a lot of fun. I want to do this again. Anyway, guys, that was
Your
it.
wallet
So,
for it, though.
I know, right? How much-
so apparently,
you spent over 200 yen on this.
No.
Or no, she
I
did.
spent over 200.
Oh, yeah.
okay, so Lawson's, we all agree, is the worst, unfortunately. But that doesn't mean they're bad. It just means their spicy chicken isn't as great as their other ones.
Yes.
Definitely winner.
7-Eleven, yeah, we could put that as winner. That's fine. I actually like this one better. It was more greasy for sure. This one did have a more herby flavor. I
Yeah.
don't know. It was very good too. So
So we got greasy, spicy, and herby. It's pretty much what came out of this. Because this
Yeah,
That
spicy-
makes this sound
I-
that makes this sound the worst.
Greasy, yeah.
though. Yeah, it really
greasy
does.
is good though. You know, like when you want chicken, people want that greasy chicken.
Yeah.
You know.
that was interesting. That was a lot of fun, guys.
Yeah, it was.
How many times are we gonna say that before the video ends?
I'm just like,
Trash.
that was a lot of fun, guys.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Did I say that yet?
It was a lot of fun.
Hey guys, that was a lot of fun.
You guys have fun doing this?
Yeah,
So-
this was a lot of fun. We should do this again.
So-
It's fun.
I'm not doing it today.
Yeah, that was fun.
Okay, so yeah, we had fun.
Okay. Yeah, fun. That was fun. No, okay. All right. So, if you guys liked this, of course, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to know which convenience store is reigning champ in all these different sections. We'll probably make this a series.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button right there too. Let us
yeah.
know also
Thumbs up.
which convenience store you guys think is the best.
Let us know in the comments which one you like the best, and we will see you in the next episode.
Yeah,
So-
thank you for tuning in.
Thanks,
that was
everyone.
fun, guys.
Thank you.
That was fun.
It was fun. It was great.
All right.
That was fun, guys, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wasn't that fun?